Hey guys, how's it going? Hope you're staying safe from COVID and staying inside to avoid getting sick. Just wanted to check in to give you some tips on any travel plans you have in the future, or maybe any travel plans that have been canceled by COVID. One of the cool things that the US Department of Travel has issued a notice for airlines to give you a refund. So you don't have to settle for the credit that they're going to give you, just ask for a refund. I had a flight going to New York in the middle of April that I was going with Spirit, and I couldn't go obviously because of COVID, so I went on their customer service chat on WhatsApp and I asked for a refund with my confirmation number, and they gave me one. They gave me one within a week and it was returned to my payment method. I was actually very surprised because Spirit is notoriously known for giving bad customer service, so it was really cool. Don't settle for credit, get that refund if you want it. Most hotels seem to be doing the right thing and giving you up to 24 hours to cancel the booking with no fees. That's very flexible if you're traveling. However, Airbnb is making it difficult for people to get refunds unless you can prove that the host or the guest has COVID-19. Why? I don't know. I like using Airbnb as much as anybody else, but right now I would stick to hotels just for the foreseeable future so we can ride this thing out and you can get your money back if you are planning future travel. While there's no way to predict when we'll be able to travel safely again, certain airlines have made it easy for you to cancel and change your flights. On Kayak, they actually have a little icon that shows you which airlines have flexible cancellation and change fees and possibly refunds, as I mentioned earlier. So do your research and know which airlines you should book in case that COVID rides out all the way to 2022. As far as planning for future trips, please make sure that the region is safe to go to. I find that subreddits for cities are the best right now to give a feel of what's going on in the city. They all have threads that are dedicated to COVID, so I think that's very useful information if you want to travel there. What you can do during this time is plan your trips and daydream about going on them. Just kidding. But you can plan your trips and use flexible planning tools like Blue Planning to switch your dates and adjust them accordingly, so whenever you do plan on going to this trip, it'll be easy to adapt to those dates. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. We'll be posting more things about travel in the coming few weeks, and check out Blue Planet.